We're doing It Odell, and it's very cold, so I don't know how I'm going to catch it in my hands, but I feel like today's the day, so let's get to it. We're just going to start off real simple with a football. Let's do it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god! That's a good spiral. Next item, stuffed animal with no eyeballs, specifically with no eyeballs.
Oh no.
Look bad, but we still got it. Next item. Next item. In honor of baseball season coming up, we got a baseball glove.
Oh,
Let's do it.
I caught that.
Baseball season. Oh!
Oh, you got that.
I'd be like Rock.
Mom stayed in front of this car.
Specifically, a shoot up
Get up.
volleyball. So that happens we have dogs, so try to do that.
Bleed to me. Ah! Dude!
Last item, we have basketball. Now, it's a little bit deflated, but it's still fine. Oh, wait, wait.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh no!
Oh.
Ah, there he goes. Snowstorms! Calling for 1 to 3 inches, possibly 3 to 5 soon. Ah! I got that zoomed in right on it. I got get on.
That's the end of the video. Let me know if you want more It Odell. So super cool guy. So guys, see you next time. Let's get this video to 5 likes. Let's get.